Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Facebook portal. Now this is a virtual assistant that is oriented to use Facebook as well. And it's a 10-inch tablet type with a landscape or portrait orientation. Now I got this from my friends over at Zoibien, and it was just over 3 million Vietnam dong, or about £100. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. Okay, I'm going to speed this up slightly because it was quite difficult to open. Right, okay, so sliding out the box from inside. Okay, it's still giving me troubles. They packaged it nice and securely anyway. So inside we've got Portal from Facebook on the outside of the packaging, and let's have a look. Right, so inside we're greeted by the tablet itself. It's about 1.5 centimeters thick, and then inside here we've got the charging brick, or the power brick should I say, because it's not internally charged. And then we've got some documentation in the bottom. And it's just a let's get started guide and some warranty information. Okay, so let's close that up and get it out of the way and have a look at the rest of it. So it's got a power brick with a, looks like a 1 meter cable, and then a strange looking stand, I think it probably is. Now, let's see if we can tear these off. Okay. Right, so let's just have a look. Yeah, about 1 meter, 1 meter 20. And then let's open this up. Didn't make much noise, that one. Okay, so inside we're greeted with a glossy virtual assistant. It's got a raised speaker area on the back and a USB Type-C port. And then we've got the stand connection port in the corner. On the top you've got a switch for muting the camera or the microphone or both, so you have it in one position and you can mute the camera but keep the mic on, and then switch it all the way across to the left and it will turn both of them off. So that's useful for people who are worried about their privacy. Right, let's plug this in and see what the setup is like. Okay, so it's only going to go one way, but it will allow you to use it in portrait or landscape orientation. Right, it's started up straight away. We've got Portal. And I'll give you a view of this as well. Here we go. And I just noticed that you can see my reflection. Never mind. No comments on how handsome I am, please. Right, so let's set it up. English UK. And I've skipped through because it had lots and lots of things that you have to add. Passwords and things. Right, so you've got an included app store on here. And you've got things like Amazon Shopping and Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and that's it. Okay, so we've got Spotify as well, that's already in. Photo booth, story time. Okay, so it's got a few different apps. lot of bloatware, but it does have some things that some of you may find interesting. So Spotify, YouTube, those are things that I'll use. Let's have a look, see what the YouTube's like. Nice and fast. So you'll be able to play your YouTube videos, or you can play my YouTube videos. Let's have a look. So you can type in on the screen easy enough, and there we go, my channel's come up. Let's see what one of these videos comes out like.
Hello again. Today we're going to revisit the Apple Watch Edition Titanium version. Now this one came out 8 months ago, and I just thought I'd revisit it again and let you know how it's got on.
Okay, and this one is Facebook Watch. There we go. Right, I'm going to ask the assistant some questions now and see how fast the response times are. Okay, let's get started.
What time is it in London?
In London, it's 11:02 a.m.
Play a video about Donald Trump.
I couldn't find any enabled video skills that can do that. Go to the Alexa app to manage your video skills and devices.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in London, United Kingdom. Expect some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 24 degrees Celsius and a low of 16 degrees.
How do you spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious is spelled Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Right, so it answered the questions reasonably well. It couldn't answer everything I wanted. There's a few things I don't like about it, but let me know in the comments what you feel about this one, if you like it or don't like it. Okay, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.